Hello and welcome back, folks. Today's recipe is this Sicilian cake with ricotta cheese and Disaronno liqueur. The Disaronno gives this cake a subtle almond taste, although the liqueur itself does not contain any almonds. So, if you're ready, let's go. Start by separating 3 eggs into 2 different bowls. Place the yolks into a mixing bowl along with the zest of half a lemon, 100 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk the yolk mixture until it becomes light and foamy. Fold in 100 grams of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk the egg whites until they become stiff and fold that into the yolk mixture. Pour the cake mixture into a 20 cm cake tin, which has been brushed with butter. Set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. The cake is cooked when it feels springy to the touch, removed from the tin and allowed to cool. To make the filling, dissolve 100 grams of sugar in 3 teaspoons of water. Pour the syrup mixture into a large bowl and add in 750 grams of ricotta cheese. Add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 8 tablespoons of Disaronno and give the mixture a good whisk. Save half of this mixture for decorating the outside of the cake. Add in 50 grams of candied citrus peel and 50 grams of grated dark chocolate and use this for the cake filling. Place the top back on top of the cake and use the cheese that you reserved from earlier to decorate the rest of the cake. Finish off the decoration by sprinkling some cinnamon and candied peel on the top and chill in the fridge before serving. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope that you enjoy making and eating this cake, and see you next time.